So I know we all have an instinct to get our money's worth out of everything that we buy. MMA is not different than any of that. So you may be tempted to make sure that you get every drop of material out of the bucket when you're applying MMA. But I want to caution you, no matter how well you mix this product with the drill mixer, no matter how well you catalyze it, no matter how well you follow the directions, there is always going to be material on the sides and on the bottom of the bucket that is not completely catalyzed. So if you were to scrape that material out of the bucket and apply it to the ground, there is a risk that that product will never cure. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm standing on some freshly applied MMA that we did yesterday. It fully cured within about 35 to 40 minutes, and it is completely cured at this point. We used this bucket of material yesterday, and I can show you right now that the stuff on the sides and on the bottom of the bucket is still not fully catalyzed. You don't want to put that on the substrate that you're coating because you'll have this. So as a rule, make sure that when you're using the MMA or any two-component product for that matter, when you dump it out, resist the temptation to scrape the insides and the bottom of the bucket.